Hello. Okay, so your excuse is that your hard drive crashed, but that isn't enough of a reason why this looks like you put zero effort into it. So by now you probably know about DaFont.com. So at the very least, you could have used a decorative font for your name and deleted some of the leftover lines that are on the border. You see, they're zoomed out, it looks like it's broken, but zooming in, it doesn't look deliberate, like there was an accident. This line weight looks um, like it's broken or something. It doesn't look deliberate. Okay, so you don't need to put your name on every page because I already know right there, and this will be within a website. But if that's what you want to do, fine, but at least consider the design and don't put it so close to the edge. So this is, and then of course you want to spell check your work. You can see this is not how you spell magazine. All of the Creative Cloud and Microsoft Word have a spell check. So at this stage in your education, there's no reason for that. So these illustrations are okay. They don't look completely up and down. It looks like there's a little bit of a curve on one side. And I can't read this font, but you know, it is cool that you're capable of doing masking. That's cute. Sweet, sweet candy guy. That looks candy-ish. But then you've got a very blocky SSS that looks more like a game, and then a very simplified candy. So I'm a little confused as to who the audience is. Is this for a game? This SSS with the cartoonish candy? Are these supposed to work together? Create a business logo, and again spelling, and as you've probably heard by now, as a graphic designer, you don't want to have any hyphens in your content. You know, there's no reason for those because especially with a small piece, you can easily put that together. So the audience is a little confusing here. I think both of these look good individually. I don't think they look good together. I think you want to pick one or the other style. Okay, great illustration. I don't think the gray background really helps you though. I think you want to really show this shoe and all the detail you put into it. If you use a lighter background or one that shows more contrast like an orange, I think it'll really pop off the page. Phone tech, yeah, I taught this class before. I think this first image looks good. I think the second one looks a little bit crowded. I might move that digital tree down a little bit so that the type doesn't run into it. This looks really good. I think the orange one especially looks great. The black and the orange work well together. They really pop off the page. I would move any imagery away from type because it gets a little hard to read when type is up against something. Your brain sort of slows down a bit. Okay, so that's all you have. You don't have a photograph. You know, if you really don't have work, you can ask the information technology department to look into your old classes and download it for you. I mean, it's really worth doing that, and you paid the money for the classes. So if I were you, I would contact, call information technology. Their number is in the classroom under resources, and tell them what your situation is, and get them to download all that work for you. You deserve it. You need it. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.